Welcome to ClearTask. Today we will look at how to apply different page borders to different pages within the same Microsoft Word document. To make this work, we need to separate our pages using section breaks rather than standard page breaks. Place your cursor where you want the new page to begin. Navigate to the Layout tab at the top of your screen. Click on Breaks, and then select Next Page under the Section Breaks menu. Repeat this action for every new page you need so that Word treats each page as its own independent section. Click anywhere on your first page to select it. Go to the Design tab and click on Page Borders on the far right of the ribbon. In the Borders window, choose your preferred setting, such as box. Pick the style, color, and width you want to use. Before confirming, look at the bottom right corner of the window. You will see a drop-down menu called Apply To. Change this setting from Whole Document to this section. Click OK. Your first page now has its own unique border. Move your cursor to the second page and click anywhere on it. Go back to Page Borders under the Design tab. Choose a completely different style or color. Again, ensure the Apply To drop-down is set strictly to this section and click OK. You can repeat this exact process for every individual page in your document, giving each one a distinct look without affecting the rest of the file. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more direct tutorials.